Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Salam Alaikum. I'm very, very confident all of you guys are thriving there in euphoria, and so am I. Let's start with the chanting. Om Kleem. Om Kleem. Ground yourself. Ground yourself with the vibration, with the energy of the universe. What are we talking about today? So today we are talking about what is the vibration, or no, what is not the vibration, what are the situations, or what are the perceptions, what are the beliefs, what are the practices that is influencing your vibration, your choice of vibration every single day, every single moment, every single hour. What are the circumstances? Because based on our circumstances, we use our intellect, our memories, our gathered information to solve or face or live that experience using a certain amount of vibration. We choose a vibration and we demonstrate that vibration and live that experience in that way and manifest a reality which is a reflection of that vibration, right? like like you have a circumstance, okay, fine. Like you have a circumstance that you have to pay your office rent or your house rent, whatever, right? Something, let's take a metaphor. You got to pay your house rent. You have a situation. You are in the mid of the month. So in few days, in 2 weeks, you have to pay your house rent and you don't have a income. You don't have money coming, right? Let's take an example. Now that's a circumstance. So that is a circumstance you have manifested, right? For yourself. Now what next? What vibration are you going to choose in this circumstance based on your awareness? Your choice of vibration will create your reality, will manifest your reality going forward. So if you choose to believe that you have the rent money already with you, or already the rent is paid without any hassle or anything, if that's the vibration you are choosing, then the rent is paid. That's what you're going to manifest. When you believe it, then you receive it. Strongly believe it. And feel that it is paid. Then you don't think about it. You don't worry about it, right? That's no more a circumstance, it's paid. But based taking that circumstance, if your awareness is that you have to go and fight or make arrangements or run after or chase after situations to arrange that money, you don't know if it will come, what will you do, or worry or anxiety, all that comes. If those are the vibrations you're choosing, then what will you manifest? Stress, worry, fear, anxiety, restlessness, sleepless nights, and all of that, right? And then you're ungrounded, you're all over the place. And what will you manifest? Such a situation that you don't have the money. And then you run after these things, you worry, and your health is problem, or you go live somewhere, or you create more and more situations for yourself where you are debting, you are in debt, you're feeling lack, you feel short of money, and every time you're manifesting similar kind of experiences, right? So based on your circumstances, if What are the circumstances you are manifesting for yourself? And that is your manifestation. And now, once you know you have already manifested that circumstance based your previous choice of vibration, now you do not want to manifest similar kind of circumstance next month or going forward. So you got to change your set of vibrations. Your choices has to be different, your perceptions has to be different, your lifestyle, your approach towards life, thoughts, situations has to be different. Then you change that perspective, you change your beliefs, change your energies, your vibrations. You choose a vibration that is in sync and alignment with your reality, that you desire and you deserve, which is taken care of, which is protection, which is security, which is stable, no worry, no stress, all paid, you have everything taken care of, all that, right? You wish to manifest that and you keep choosing your vibration the other way, and how will it happen? And then you're like, why am I in this lack mindset? I'm doing all the best things, working hard, and I keep attracting same. Even in relationships, people, why this is happening with me? When I'm all love, I'm all this, I'm all that. But your choice of vibration, your belief, your actions, your intentions, everything is not in alignment with your desire, with your calling, with your purpose. Similarly, career. My bigger picture is to become a entrepreneur, a successful entrepreneur, a leader, whatever, right? Choose a path, your path. And then you say ki every job I have to follow their guidelines, I have to work in this limited mindset or limited resources or ideologies or principles or work philosophy or whatever. You're manifesting that because every time you're choosing a vibration that you have to work based on the limitations, you have to do what the industry has set for you, you have to follow the norms and rules and policies. That is what you believe. That's why you are always, the choice of vibration is creating your manifestation. Now, if you want a different reality, you want to have example, now I want to have a home of mine, my own home. If I keep believing every month, how will I pay my rent, how will I pay my rent, how will I can never buy a house of my own, right? Now, if even if I'm living in a rented house, if my choice of vibration is I'm living in my own home, everything the way I want, everything the way I desire, the energies, the setup, the place, the location, everything. It's my home. I have created, built by myself. I got this by myself. And how will I treat my home? I treat my home like that. I'll keep it as a temple. I create high vibrational experiences and connections here. I cleanse myself. I cleanse my home. Everything. I set up the way I want. And then my choice of vibration is my home. This is my home. I don't have to pay any rent. I'm not worried about anything. I'm living my life freely as everything is taken care of. And that is what I'm manifesting every single day. I'm living in my home, while in my home, never worried about my rent, never worried about anything, while I'm building my own home, which I always wanted. This is how life I have manifested, and I'm talking because this is how you can manifest by choosing your vibration right this very moment. You got to overcome that belief of limiting your perception to your present reality. I know I'm in a rented house, but I live in my own home the way I want to, the way I want, desire the energies to be, the cleanliness to be, the setup to be, everything, the connections I want to build here, the person I want to live with, my pets that I wish to have, all that, right? While I'm creating that here and believing this is my home in the same location, in the same way I always wanted, that's what I'm building in the place I always wanted. And while never worrying about how to live here and how to, do the things here, nothing. That's how it works. Even in my connections, my bigger picture was to live my happily ever after. And now I'm living my happily ever after. Doesn't matter what time it happened or it's happening, with whom it is happening, in what circumstance it happened. What the bigger picture I wanted, I manifested, because every day my choice of vibration was that I'm living my happily ever after with myself, with the people I love, and X, Y, Z. And exactly that I manifested. I never limited my perception that it has to be a certain way, with a certain person, in a certain time, in a certain place. No. Bigger picture, choice of vibration. I never bothered about the present circumstance, and I manifested what I always wanted it to be, the way I wanted it to be, the kind of force I wanted to collaborate with, not the body I want, or this person I want, or this house I want. No. These energies I want, these vibrations I want, this reality I want, this collaboration I want, where I can expand together. You understand? That is how you manifest your reality. In one day, in one night, your life will change. Just choose the vibration that you wish to live in your experience, that you imagine about. Start living that vibration right now. Tune in soon with a new topic. I think I have to spoken about this, about choosing the vibration that you want to manifest in your life, because that's what you believe and then you receive. It's choose that vibration. I'm happy, I'm full, I'm whole, I'm love, I'm complete, I'm self-sufficient, I'm independent, I'm rich. All that you want is right here, right now. Take care.